In this video, we're going to remove background using pen tool and background eraser tool part 1 in just 1 minute using Photoshop. First thing to do, let's double click its layer because it's locked and just click OK. First, let's use the pen tool right here. Then I'm going to start here. Just click and click and click on the exact edge of any object you want to remove its background. Now, as you can see that there is a curve right here. All we need to do is to click where the curve ends, click and drag and play for it until the line is in the right area, then release. Now, before we continue, long press Alt in your keyboard and click the point at the center, then continue. Now, as you can see that the color of the object and its background is different. That's why it's very easy for us to erase the background. So let's leave it for a while. And also it's the same with the hair. Let's do the same. Remember that using pen tool, end where you started. Now right click and choose make selection. Now this man is selected. Next, go to select and click inverse. Then press backspace in your keyboard. Then Ctrl D to deselect. Now let's go back to this part. Check the part 2 of this video in my channel. That's 1 minute. See you next tutorial.